Ever stub your toe so hard you wish you could just rewind and save your poor nail? Feeling the pain of dry, chipped, or even damaged nails? You're not alone. Millions struggle with nail issues, but here's the good news. Recovery is possible. Let's find out some possible and effective solutions by which you can recover from nail problems. See a doctor or a podiatrist. When it comes to nail problems, seeking accurate diagnosis and timely treatment is crucial because nail issues can signal underlying health conditions. Ignoring them may lead to complications. For instance, crumbling nails, pitting, or discoloration could indicate psoriasis. Treatment options include strong corticosteroid creams, tazarotene, and laser therapy. Easily broken nails may result from internal factors, like iron deficiency, or external causes. Moisturizing and nail protection are essential. Thickened, overgrown nails, resembling a ram's horn, require professional intervention. A podiatrist may trim the nail and guide home care. Painful and infected ingrown toenails need attention. Genetics and improper nail trimming play a role. Treatment involves proper nail cutting and, in severe cases, removal of the nail bed. Also, topical nail lacquer applied directly to the affected nail. Laser treatment removes damaged nail or skin areas. Follow the prescribed treatment regimen. Still navigating nail problems? Remember, using prescribed meds and treatments right is key to waving goodbye to those issues. Always follow your doc's prescription when it comes to your medicine. And hey, spill the beans about everything you're taking, even those over-the-counter sneaky pills, because mixing the wrong ingredients can turn into a recipe for trouble. Chat up your pharmacist to get the scoop on any side effects, or if your body throws a fit. Make sure you're not playing a guessing game with your doses. Use an oral syringe, measuring spoon, or dose cup to get it just right. And don't go rogue splitting pills unless your health guru gives you the green light. Keeping things clear and safe with your medications is your secret weapon to nailing your nail health back to perfection. Loving these nail-saving tips? Smash that like button and hit subscribe to join the beautiful nail crew. The more we are, the more nail knowledge we can share. Practice good nail care and hygiene. Nail woes hit you badly? Keep them clean, dry, and safe from the drama of damage or unwanted infections. Trim those nails straight across to dodge the pain of ingrown nails. Smooth out the rough edges with a nail file or emery board. But remember, always file in one direction to keep them strong. Give your nail care tools a spa day by disinfecting them with some strong isopropyl alcohol every month. Take a break from nail polishes that party with formaldehyde and dibutyl phthalate. Those frenemies can weaken your nails. Every so often, let your nails go au naturel to breathe and recover from those high-fashion shades. Moisturize to keep your nails flexing and strong. A little almond or avocado oil at bedtime can do wonders for your nail beds and cuticle. Got a nail injury? Keep it dry for the first 24, then gently wash and treat it post-shower. Slap on some polysporin or Vaseline and keep it cozy under a clean bandage. Eat a balanced and nutritious diet. Want to give your nails the VIP treatment from the inside out? It's all about feeding them the right stuff. Here's the skinny on nailing that nutrition for stellar nail growth and repair. Biotin. This superstar, aka vitamin B7, is your go-to for turning proteins into nail superpowers. Load up on liver, egg yolk, salmon, and nuts. Vitamin B12. The guardian of iron absorption and red blood cell champs. Find this hero in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Folate, aka vitamin B9. It's the master of cell formation. Snag it from dark greens, citrusy fruits, and legumes. Now, for the no-no list, cut back on the sugar, processed snacks, and alcohol. They're like the kryptonite to your nails' superpowers. And for the winning lineup, protein-packed eggs, lean meats, and legumes, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds, and a rainbow of vitamins A, C, D, and E from fruits, veggies, and fish. Eat right, and watch your nails transform from meh to magnificent. So, there you have it. If you're ready to say goodbye to damaged nails and hello to a healthy, confident new you, buckle up, click that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to join the nail rehab journey.